Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use iMessage on iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To start with, you need to make sure you activate your iPhone iMessage. So go ahead and open the settings up. On the settings, click on messages. On iOS 18 or later, click on apps. And then scroll down until you get to messages. So just keep scrolling. And click on messages. Once you selected messages, then you should see iMessage. Make sure you turn on iMessage. If this is disabled, just go ahead and turn this on. And your iPhone is going to use either your email address or your phone number as your iMessage address. So if you hit the back button, click on the messages app again, then you should see your iMessage activated. If you click on send and receive, you should see the address you use for your iMessage. Here you can see I have my phone number and then my iCloud account. Then once you've activated iMessage, go back and open the messages app, then click on the button at the top right, then search for someone that is using iMessage, click on it, then you should see iMessage. You see iMessage? Now, for you to now start using iMessage, you can now just go ahead and start typing. So whatever you type here is going to be sent on iMessage. Now once you selected this user, click outside. Then if you want to hide another user, click on the plus button, then select another user. Otherwise, click outside and click on iMessage. Then you can now go ahead and start typing to send iMessage to this particular user. You see that? Then click on send. This is going to send in the form of iMessage. So this is not going to charge you for using that. You can also make a video call on the iMessage. Now to use other effects, so you can use iMessage effect. So just type whatever you want to type, then highlight it. Now you should see text effect. Go ahead and click on that. Once you select the text effect, then you should see all the text effects you can use. You see all of that. And also, if you press and hold the send button, then you can use invisible ink, gentle, cloud, slam, or even use sound effect with screen just like this. You see that? So if you swipe like this, you can also change or add screen effect to the message you want to send or your iMessage. So you see that? Then again, click on send. This is going to send this message in form of this, like this. So if you click on this plus button, then you can send a photo, sticker, Apple Cash, audio send later. So with send later, you can customize a message to schedule. With send later, you can schedule a message on your iMessage. Then you can also share your location using the iMessage. Yeah, you can also use emoji. Now to send a voice record on your iMessage, press and hold this, and then you should see your voice record is recording. Is that? Then once you're done, let it go. So to stop it, just click on it, and then you can replay, you can send, and then you can close this. So just make yourself comfortable around the iMessage, and then you get to use the iMessage the best way. So that is basically how to use iMessage on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.